This conversation with champions is brought to you by Justin Insurance, and I'm with Maddie McGee, who literally grew up in the insurance industry and the cutting horse industry as well.
Yep.
You've had a lot of success recently. Talk a little bit about what you're showing.
Yeah, I've been showing at the Bosque Ranch events. They have a show about every month. They take the top 5 from the open, the non-pro, and the amateur. So I've made it in that top 5, and at the bash they're going to have a little work off and get to show my mare a little bit and win some money maybe.
Talk a little bit about your heart for horses and your spirit of competition.
Yeah, I love it. I mean, I've been doing it, ever since I could remember, ever since I was born, especially being in this industry and my mom having Justin Insurance. So I was brought home from the hospital and was in the office and around cutting horses my whole life. So I've just loved it the whole time.
What's the exciting part of making a run or competing?
Just having the success, working at it and going down there and it working out, because it is a hard thing to do, and when you finally get it and you finally click, it's this feeling of relief.
What's the best advice you've ever gotten?
Just to keep showing, just to keep doing it. There's a lot of bad runs that you can have, and just to keep showing and it'll work out.
So switching gears, let's talk about the industry and your work job. What makes you be able to afford to go to cutting?
Right.
And you've seen the customer service side since you were a little girl. Mm-hmm. Is that what keeps you coming back to the office?
Oh, it definitely does. I love that I can work and come to shows and talk to clients and still be doing what I love while working at the same time.
What would you tell people about why they need to have the security to have their horse or farm and ranch covered?
Yeah, we spend a lot of money in this industry. I mean, it's what people spend on horses and everything. I know I have mine insured through us because there's no way I would be able to afford to replace her or afford medical bills on her. So just to continue to do it, if something happens, you love them, but you want to be able to have the money to replace them as well.
Talk about the variables in coverage. You mentioned vet bills as well, because a lot of people think it's only mortality.
Right. Yeah, no, vet bills. So colic surgery, I know that colic surgery is a big cost, especially depending on how severe the colic is. So I mean, it can go up to $12,000, and we have coverage that will pay that whole bill. So.
Well, it's been a pleasure to talk to you, and we wish you continued success in the show ring and with Justin Insurance. This report is brought to you by Justin Insurance.